We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Alice, 你是妈妈吗？
当然唔係咯。
哎呀 ，sorry 。没有，我感觉她不是因为她外表看起来像妈妈，而是她很和蔼可亲，可以当一个好妈妈。
乖来。
Hey. The reason I'm talking about this is because the month of May usually is Mother's Day, especially the second Sunday of May. But let me tell you this, though. I did some research. Most countries celebrate Mother's Day on the second Sunday of May, but not all countries. For instance, in France and Sweden, I heard that they actually celebrate this on the last Sunday in May. And countries like, of course, the US, Taiwan, Japan, Brazil, Canada, and the rest of the world makes it on the second Sunday of the month. 所以其实母亲节大部分都是过第二个礼拜天啦，5月第二个礼拜天，台湾也是。但是刚好这边有一个 information 蛮惊讶的，就是其他的国家有些甚至不是5月，有些在8月、11月、12月都有的。But anyways， 为什么要讲到这个呢？就是来教大家，如果你要跟客家母亲讲母亲节快乐等等之类的话，怎么说
？OK，
好吧。
母亲节快乐！
叫你教客家话啦。
母亲节就是母亲节嘛。
哦，听起来很像母亲节快乐。
哎，快乐。
哦，
好啦，交个康乃馨好不好？
Oh yeah, that's right. During Mother's Day, you have to give flowers, and the flower for mothers, carnation.
康乃馨。
康乃馨. That's 康乃馨 carnation. And since I just taught, the fact that it's the second Sunday of May, 那就5月的第二个礼拜天怎么说呢
？OK， 5月嘅
啊，记得5月嘅就是5月的，对不对？嘅记得是的，
第二集，
第二个，第二集，
第二集。
Okay, that's the second.
禮拜日。
And finally, you should buy a cake too. All right, it's very sweet, and you should do that. So. 这其实有教过蛋糕，
雞卵糕。
There you go. That's a cake. All right. Well, I wish everyone a happy Mother's Day. No matter if you're celebrating Mother's Day on the second Sunday or the last Sunday, I wish you a very happy Mother's Day.
母親節快樂。
Hey, then that does it for our lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.